Hey, we back. I'm here, and there is stuff. There is proper base now. We've got a bit of power and other such things. Now, I cannot take credit for this because this was all Beb's doing. I made the tanks. That was my contribution. I made the tanks. But yeah, Beb's been doing some immersive engineering. He's finished off a bunch of quests. We can start making proper progress now, which is great. But yeah, basically I haven't been on for a day, so oops. First of all, we've got a bunch of quests to tick off. Because first of all, he got this backpack, which is epic. I was gonna get that last time and then realised we needed loads of diamonds, so I'm glad he did that. And then he's basically finished Totemic and Roots. Got started on immersive engineering and the Nether. So yeah, we've got a bunch of quests. We can see what we can get from these. And then after that, I've agreed to help with the power situation, because immersive engineering's power is kind of finicky and not great. I feel like a Thermoelectric Generator would be a big help there. So that's what I'm going to make. But yeah, we'll see what happens. There could be plenty of things that I do, and hopefully I can do some quests myself along the way. But as you can see, for now, I am just going to go along here and claim a bunch of rewards. We're getting a lot of diamonds here, and that is very cool. I don't know how rare diamonds actually are, but I assume they're pretty rare. Right, so, yes, as I said, we're going to be looking at making one of these. So, this LV copper wire, which I just got, is suddenly becoming helpful. We are going to want some shears. Engineer's wire cutters will do fine, though. Copper plates, which is going to be copper and a hammer. Wait, do you think we have any other methods of making copper plates? Ah, we have the metal press, don't we? Yes, indeed, we do. Okay, so if I put a plate in there with that, I get this. So right, what's this got in at the moment? It's got the plate one. Okay, cool. Let me go grab some copper then. Copper. Right, so if I want 4 of these, I'm gonna want 16 of these, 8 of these, 8 of these. Okay, cool. And these are all just going to helpfully go into that chest, which is nice. Then after that, we are going to want the wire one. And I'm also going to want 4 sticks, which I have. This is kind of slow, probably because we don't have enough power, but that's what I'm trying to fix, right? Wait, having a hopper here is like not necessary at all, Beb. Do you realise that? I don't think Beb realises that. Let's be more efficient for Beb. There you go, Beb. Look, more efficient. Right. There we go. So now I throw all of those onto there. And it'll start doing this. Okay, cool. And now we have a free hopper, which is nice, and I'll shove that into the little chest there. And it actually stacked with something, which I'm impressed at, to be honest. Wait, you're not in your huge ball. Ah! No, we are not. We are not in the huge ball. That was the old server, and it died. So no, we are not there anymore. There we go, we have copper coil. So now I'm going to want 5 steel. I'm sure there's some steel lying around here. Invar, that's not steel. Ah, here we go. Steel. Oh shit. Okay, jumping into the crusher, not a good idea. In future, don't do that. Got it. Are you not gonna like... Okay, there we go. Worked. Right, throw out the steel. Well, how's your weekend been? It's been alright. It's been pretty busy, actually. It probably should still be busy, but I'm playing Minecraft instead. But there will be more busy happening in the future, so whatever, it doesn't matter. What am I building? I'm building a Thermoelectric Generator. This one up here. Or at least I'm trying to. Oh, wait, I didn't actually need all of those as plates. I needed some as not plates. Oops. But yeah, that's the aim, to get some more power. Oh, I'm missing redstone. Redstone. Thank you. Okay, LV capacitor. Now I want MV capacitor, so I'm going to want another steel plate, 2 electron plates, and a block of redstone. The block of redstone we can do. Easy. Electrum. There we go. And I want another steel. All as plates? Yes, all as plates. Cool. Yeah, don't jump into the crusher again. Wait, no, that's not how that works. There we go. You got something. What have I got? What do you mean? Oh wait, did you just mean the quest? I did get the quest, probably for building the LV power capacitor. I mean, I don't know to be fair, but probably. I'm kind of surprised that Bev hadn't already built one. But what? But yeah, fair enough. Let's go see, shall we? Immerse yourself. Yeah, there we go. The chest for power. So we get that, and now we get an MV one as well. We get a transformer for that. So that's fun. Now I want 4 steel plates and 3 Constantan plates. Do you think we have 4 steel? We do not. That's slightly sad. We want blast furnace iron. I have a bunch of iron on me. Let's go this way round. Blast furnace. Wait, this is a coke oven. Wait. Oh, we've got an improved blast furnace. Oh, and it has stuff in it already. Fantastic. Okay, we'll put that in there, and we need to upgrade this, apparently. There we go. And then I'm just going to plop that next to it. Yes. Very good. My brain is too small to comprehend this. I've got to go, so have a good stream. I'll be back later. Fair enough. Have a nice. We have a spare copper wire. We're going to have a spare vacuum tube as well. But that's fine. I will shove them in the immersive engineering chest back here. Thermoelectric Generator. Good stuff. Was that a quest? What are the chances? It was indeed a quest. Hello. You know, I do actually have a sword. I could use it, couldn't I? Okay, cool. And then let's grab a couple of free ender pearls here as well. Any of this stuff on the stack? Ender pearl stack anywhere? Okay, that'll do then, I guess. Right, I have 2 ice. Now we need 2 lava. We're in a forest. And so the chances of it setting everything on fire is not 0. But there we go. That should be making power? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know how IE stuff works. And it doesn't seem to have the what am I looking at where it actually tells me, so I'm just kind of sad. Okay, now we have some coil. And I assume I meant to link it up to here. Like that. There we go, look at that. I also think maybe charging up a battery would be a good idea. And also, can you not, like, yeah, we can insulate it if we have tough fabric. Which is made from industrial hemp fibre. Okay, so yeah, this isn't happening. We're just going to be killing ourselves every time we walk past our power generation. That's epic. I did have to put it down there, though, because otherwise it would burn up all of the forest. So, yeah. That's fine. We have significantly more power now. What I'm thinking, actually, is let's make another one of these MV capacitors as a little storage bank, in which case we are going to want this back. And then I'm going to want 7 more of them. So what I'm hoping is that I can do this and it will connect from there. No. Wait, I can just destroy this block though. This block is not, like, necessary for anything, is it? Aha! Fooled. Nice. And then this can be energy output. So now everything has a nice buffer. This can slowly fill up. Epic! Yeah, that probably wasn't a great way of doing any of those things that I just did, but I don't care. Yeah, I don't know why I have this on me, to be honest. I don't need it. Power, really? Cool! So... what should we do next? Some more IE stuff, potentially? I really want to get into mekanism, because... I'm actually reasonably good at mekanism, and it has much better power. So I'm thinking let's try and speedrun that. I'm gonna need steel casing. Where's steel casing? There it is. So what do we need for this? Steel rods, which I can make. Energized osmium. That is gonna be the problem. Yeah. I need biodiesel. Oh yeah, they're really making us do immersive engineering, aren't they? Plant oil and ethanol to get biodiesel. That's not fun. I doubt we even have a refinery. So I suppose that's what I'm working towards. We've got a crusher, of course the metal press, industrial squeezer, that's pretty cool to be fair. But yeah. No refinery. Plant oil can be made in the industrial squeezer, so that's good. Ethanol can be made in an industrial fermenter. So I guess I'm going to need to make an industrial fermenter next. Is that by any chance one of the upcoming quests? Because I feel like it probably is. Yeah, there you go. Fermenter. Okay, let's make this then. Yes, he sees me now, which he did, which is slightly sad. But I think we can just about take out a zombie. I thought I saw something else over there, but I guess not. There's a sheep. And there's a pumpkin. Wait. It's a pumpkin spider. That's funny. I saw the little health bar above it and I was like, wait, what? Pumpkin spider? And then it just morphs. You get a pumpkin though, that's pretty cool. Right, this is what we like. So, where am I going to put this? I assume it's going to need to be somewhere where it can see some power. So, I mean, slap bang here would actually work, wouldn't it? Okay. Ah, here we go. Right, so we're going to start with these two, like that. Then we want a light thing in the back there. Why did that place up there? I didn't click there, you silly. Now I want the redstone there, the light here, and the cauldrons, where were they? In a square at the back over here. I never made the cauldrons. Oh. I was wondering why I had so many iron plates on me. That'll be why. Speaking of iron plate, let's set off another one of those. And then we just want the 4 sheet metal on top of that. I'm gonna want an engineer's hammer. And I assume I'm clicking this? No. Where am I clicking? There we go. Found it. Cool. Industrial fermenter. Right. Let's shove these 3 back into here. We can grab out this stuff. And then there's random blood at the bottom, which is very fun and cool. Right, forge. Sword. I like just going with the regular sword. That's just me. I like the regular sword. Because I'm used to it, basically, but, you know. Manual broadsword. Durability, not bad. Attack, not bad. Modifiers, not bad. Okay, now let's shove the modifiers on, then. Mending moss. Sounds good. This adds, like, luck, doesn't it? Which is not really something we want. Does this add... That adds haste, okay. What is it that adds sharpness? So, oh, it's quartz, isn't it? That's right. Do we have a ton of quartz? Got 26 quartz. That's probably not enough. Iron is not the thing I wanted. Sharp. Indeed. Well, sure then. Let's add that. My foot has nail thingies that hurt. Yeah, that sounds not fun. Oh, do you just mean pins and needles? Is that what you mean? Pins and needles is also not fun, to be fair. But that's a whole different matter, isn't it? Okay, yeah, cool, broadsword. I should probably shove an emerald on it, actually, that'd be smart. I could shove a diamond on too. But not now, because it doesn't have enough modifiers. But yeah, that's going to up its durability a lot, which is nice. That combined with the mending moss should hopefully help out. Yeah, it still hurts. Yeah, it does. Just stretch out your leg. That's normally how it does it. Assuming it's the thing that I think it is. Give me a sec, I need to switch my lights on. I can't see a thing. Okay, the lights are on now. Right, once we've used up that iron sword, I will start using the manual one, and hopefully it will be good. I will add a diamond to it at some point also, which will be fun. But yeah, that'll happen later, I guess. Right, how are we doing for this? We are doing fine. Let's speed it up and then I can turn this off. That sounds good. Right, so what should we do now? Oh, yes, he did this. I hope the hot graphite dust. Oh, I saw that in the chest. Let's grab silver. I mean, I saw one of them in the chest and I was confused about why we needed it. But I guess it was for a quest. I don't know what any of these machines are. But yeah, we need to be getting to mekanism and applied energetics mind. So I guess we're working towards this stuff here, these two liquids. Ethanol bucket, for example. Sugarcane, melons, potatoes, apples. Basically anything you like. Understandable. Right. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to do that. Okay. Sorry, I'm not really doing anything right now. We should set up a farm of some description, I think. That's what I think. For the purpose of the fermenter. Why is there a bow here? Baycock's bow. I assume it's Beb's. The power of baguettes. I ate all the baguettes. I had baguettes earlier. I ate them all. My juice is done. What are you on about? I'm sure your juice is happy with itself. Let's smelt up a bunch of nickel next, shall we? That sounds good. Actually, let's stop smelting stuff up. It'll take up more chest space. Let's just quickly organise the chests. That does make sense. I drank up all the juice and now I'm sad. Oh, I see. That is generally how it works. Need to get some more juice then, don't you? Right, if I need 1 bucket of this, this gets me 80 per. So I want like 1,000 divided by 80. Okay, hang on a sec, calculator time. Because I can't be bothered doing that. I mean, like, it's like probably 12 or 16 maybe. 1000 divided by 80, it is 12.5. Well, that's right obnoxious of you, isn't it? These all give 80? These all give 80. Okay, so I'm going to grab 13 sugarcane. Oh, you are having a laugh. Do we have a sugarcane farm? We do indeed. Okay, cool. That's good at least. Okay, extend that out a little bit, just because, why not? Do I not have a dirt? Okay, well I've got a dirt now. Cool. Oh, and there was some sugarcane down here that I missed. Oh, quite a lot of it actually. Glad I went to check. Right, so I now have the 13 sugarcane necessary. In fact, I could do it... Oh, I could almost do it 3 times. What I could do is get like a couple of random wheat. And then do it 3 times. Pog. Right, so if I shove this in here... Fermenting? It looks like it's doing things. Oh, it did something. There we go, ethanol. Cool. We'll just leave that for a little bit then, and see what happens, I guess. I'm sure we have salt around here somewhere that I can stack this with. Oh, I've got a stack there. That's sugar, whatever. What's happening now? Oh dear. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention, chat. Right, we have a guy that is gonna die. What is the other liquid that we needed? Plant oil, which we get from the squeezer. Seeds. We're going to need 13.5 of those as well. So let's get 39, same as I just did for the other one, just for the sake of it, really. Wait. And throw these into the squeezer. I don't know why this goes down so quickly. But it's, like I say, it's probably because that needs upgrading. Right, well, I'll upgrade that at some point. Let's ask Beb about the bow. Right, so if I just if I do this... whoops. Ah, where are you putting my buckets? I meant to put them in here. There you go. Tiny bit of ethanol left in the bottom of that. Eight iron ore. Not the most impressive thing ever, but sure. Titanfall 2, eh? I've heard of Titanfall 2. I've not played it, in case you're wondering. We have a random milk bucket here, that's full. Hey cooks, it's a crafting ingredient, basically the first gate. A crafting ingredient?
You kicked off your study session with a lo-fi playlist, but now you really need to focus. Turn your phone screen off.
It's not a crafting ingredient though.
YouTube Premium on us.
And then we've got a random amount of blood in there. Cool. Right, have we got the stuff from in here? We do indeed. But now I need more buckets. Right, I didn't think that one through. I used all the buckets. Oops. Right, so let's grab another 9. Right, 3 buckets of plant oil. Good stuff. Right, there we go. That's that done as well. That's another 8 iron ore. Now I need to make the refinery. Damn, that's actually effort. Do you think we have enough steel for that? Does not look like it, to be honest. Yeah. How much steel have we got in here? Probably not enough. We got 5 in here. Potentially, I guess. So I want to make this 4 times. I want 32 steel. Oh, we don't have enough steel. Yeah, okay. Now, I am going to sit here and wait for this steel to finish processing. For stream people, do not worry, because I will continue doing stuff after that. But for YouTube video, I am going to end this one here. I will come back when I have all the steel and we continue doing immersive engineering. We can potentially get into mekanism next time. We will see what happens. But yeah, it should be good fun. We have, I think, most of the machines necessary. There's a lot of extra machines around here and a lot of quests that I'm kind of skipping, but I think we can just skip them, and mekanism is vastly superior. So yes, I will leave that one here then. Bye!